Hello my dear students. In previous video we learned about the bar graph. That graph is already given and the question answers are given. So we just have to answer the questions from the bar graph. Now we will learn how to draw a bar graph. Okay. We have to learn to draw bar graph. We have already done this, but this is just for the repetition. Okay. So you know the bar graph. Okay, how the bar graph paper is there. Okay, this type of bar graph paper you have. Okay, so when you are drawing, so you know there are two types of bar graph which is available. Okay, that one unit is equal to 5 and one unit is equal to 10. यानी one box में 5 lines रहती है या तो 10 lines रहती है. That you already know. Here I have draw the bar graph. I'm just taking the dark line. You know, in the bar graph there is a dark line, right? And inside the box the lines are in a light color, and outside the box the lines are dark colors. So I have just draw the dark lines only. Now we will take that data. Okay, and how to arrange that data in the bar graph, that we will learn. So here we have one data. Following table shows the number of bicycles manufactured in a factory during the years 1998 to 2002. There is a one factory who is manufacturing the bicycles. Okay. So first of all, years and number of bicycles manufactured. So first of all, in 1998 the 800 bicycles were manufactured. In 1999, 6,000. In 2000, 900. And in 2001, 1100. In 2002, 1200. So this is the data which we have to show in a bar graph. So first of all, which details we will take on the x-axis and y-axis, that we have to decide. So we know that these are the things we will take on the x-axis and this is on the y-axis. Okay. Now, okay, first of all we have to draw x-axis and y-axis. Okay. So I have always said leave one box from here and here. Okay. So this will be your x-axis, right? This is your x-axis and this will be your y-axis, right? On x-axis we have to show the data. Okay, from where we will start? 1998. So this will be 1998. Then leave one box. Why we need to leave one box? See, अगर मैंने 1998 का सपोज यहाँ ड्रॉ किया तो 1999 का यहाँ हो जाएगा. That also you can take, no problem. Okay, if the more data is given, so you can take continuously also. Now here 1998, then okay, I am taking continuous, so you know how to do it. Then 2000, then 2001 and last 2002. Okay. Now here 800, 600, 900, this type of data is given. So if we will take 0, 5, 10, then now on the y-axis I always say how to choose the scale. This is called scale. So that we have to decide from the data. Data जो है वो किसका multiple है, that we have to see. Now this all are the multiple of 100. Okay, this is 800, 600, 900. So here on the y-axis we will take multiple of 100. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1100, and last is 1200. We have to see the biggest one. Here biggest one is 12. So till 12 we will write. Now first one. In 1998, how many cycles were manufactured? 800. So in 1998, where is 800? Here. So here we will draw a graph. याद आया हमने ये सब ऑलरेडी किया है, right? In 1999, okay. In 1999, how many cycles are there? 600. So this is 600. Okay. This way you have to draw. In 2000, 2900 cycles. So here 900. Okay. Right? Okay. In 2001, 1100. So here 1100 and 2001. Okay. And last 2002, it is 1200. So this way you can draw a bar graph. Clear? Now what you have to do, you just have to answer the questions from the data. So which type of questions are there? In which year were the maximum number of bicycles manufactured? Maximum means you have to see the biggest one. Okay. So biggest bar graph is in a 2002. So in 2002, maximum number of bicycles were manufactured. In which year were the minimum number of bicycles manufactured? So minimum means smallest one you have to see. So smallest one is here. So that is 1999. So in 1999, the minimum number of bicycles were manufactured. So this type of generally maximum or minimum का ही question रहता है, but sometimes extra questions will also come. Now, see, this is the question number 3 of exercise 9.4. Okay, this is the question number 3 in exercise 9.4. Here, scale we have decided. Okay, that 1 unit is equal to 100 number of cycles. Always write upside the bar graph that 1 unit आप जो यहाँ ले रहे हो, that you always have to show that 1 unit is equal to 100 number of bicycles. Okay. Now in your exercise, total 4 questions are given. In question 1 and 4, the scale is already given that 1 unit is equal to 5, 10, 20, whatever you have to take, that is already given. In question 2 only, you just, it is written that scale of your choice, just like this. मतलब हमें हमारे हिसाब से scale लेना है. Okay. The scale we have to decide by ourselves. So in that questions you have a choice that what you want to do. So in the second also you can take the scale of 5 and you can solve it. Okay. Thank you.